Have you ever looked up at the sky and wished you could just freeze a moment from up there? Not by lugging around a massive, heavy backpack full of expensive gear. Not by spending 20 stressful minutes calibrating a remote controller while your perfect sunset fades to black. But instantly, imagine reaching into your pocket, pulling out a device no bigger than your smartphone, and within 3 seconds it is hovering in the air, capturing cinematic, breathtaking footage of you, tracking your every move like a Hollywood camera crew. For years, this was the ultimate dream for creators, travelers, and tech enthusiasts. We were told it was impossible. We were told you either get a heavy drone with a great camera or a toy drone that shoots grainy, unusable video. But the rules of the game have completely changed. DJI has just dropped a nuclear bomb on the drone industry, and it goes by the name of the DJI Neo 3. If you think you know what small drones are capable of, you need to forget everything you've learned. Because what DJI has packed into this microscopic piece of technology is not just an upgrade. It is an absolute revolution. Today, we are going deep into everything that makes the DJI Neo 3 the most dangerously capable piece of tech you can legally carry in your pocket. By the time we are done here, you will understand exactly why this little machine is making $1,000 professional drones incredibly nervous. Let us start with the most mind-bending aspect of the Neo 3, the design. When you first hold it, your brain almost refuses to accept that this is a flying camera. It weighs practically nothing. For anyone living in the United States, you already know the nightmare of FAA regulations. Anything over 250 grams means registration, remote ID headaches, and a constant fear of breaking federal airspace laws. The DJI Neo 3 doesn't just slide under that 250-gram limit. It completely destroys it. It is so light, so unbelievably compact, that it feels less like a traditional drone and more like a natural extension of your everyday carry. You put your keys in one pocket, your phone in the other, and the Neo 3 slips right into your jacket. There are no foldable arms that you have to carefully unclip. There are no fragile propellers hanging out waiting to snap inside your bag. It features a fully enclosed, beautifully engineered prop guard design. This means you can launch it directly from the palm of your hand, and more importantly, you can snatch it right out of the air safely without losing a finger. It is built like a tank, meant to be thrown in a bag, meant to take a beating, and meant to survive the real world. But portability means absolutely nothing if the footage looks like it was shot on a potato. And this is where DJI did the unthinkable. The camera sensor on the Neo 3 defies the laws of physics. We are talking about jaw-dropping, incredibly crisp, high bitrate video that completely blows away anything else in its weight class. Whether you are shooting in bright midday sun in Miami or capturing the moody, low-light neon streets of New York City, the dynamic range here is staggering. The highlights are perfectly preserved. The shadows retain an unbelievable amount of detail. And for all the social media creators out there, DJI knows exactly what you want.